Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Angela. Hopefully, you all are doing fine. If you own a lot of stationery item and face problem in organizing them, so here's a cool solution for it. You can DIY it without investing a penny. Interesting है ना? So let's start our video. So for this you will be needing a plastic container. This is a takeaway container which you get when you order food online, and you need a thick rope. Now cover the outer surface of the container with this rope using a glue gun. Covering the container with this thick rope will make it heavy, and आप अगर इसमें एक पेंसिल भी रखते हैं तो ये गिरेगा नहीं, it will stay still. So I will definitely suggest you to go with this thick rope. So this will become our holder जिसमें हम सारे अपनी चीज़ों को स्टफ कर देंगे. So this is how it's gonna look. आप इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ सकते हो या इसमें कलर भी कर सकते हो, and I chose to color it out. So here I am using yellowish color. And once you finish with the coloring part, allow it to dry completely. Now let's add pockets to our holder and make it more spacious. So for the same I am using these empty soap covers. Cut them in a specific manner and then color them out. So here I am using 3 empty covers. Now for sticking them on the holder, आप ग्लू गन यूज़ कर सकते हो या डबल साइडेड टेप यूज़ कर सकते हो. So they act as an extra pockets or add more space to my holder. At the bottom of the holder, I'll be adding a piece of thermocol because later on I'll be adding a blade and scissors. So the pointed end will not touch directly to the bottom and it will not destroy it. I will be hanging these clips also, and this is totally optional. I tried attaching them with glue gun or double sided tape, but it was not working, so ended up with this process. Now for attaching the clip, आपको सेफ्टी पिन लेना है, उसके पॉइंटेड एंड को हीट करके होल्डर में एक होल बनाना है. देन बाय यूजिंग अ जंप रिंग और थ्रेड की मदद से आपको उस क्लिप को होल्डर में अटैच करना है. Now let's make some rewritable paper notes, which will be like this. Use them for writing emergency notes and hang them on the holder using the clip. For making this you need a piece of paper, any color, and this transparent packaging tape or sellotape. Now follow the process shown in the video. अगर एयर बबल्स आ जाते हैं तो आप उन्हें स्लाइटली रब कर दीजिए एंड दे विल डिसअपियर. Now cut the taped area according to the size and shape you want. And here's your rewritable paper notes ready. अगर आपके पास कलर पेजेस नहीं हैं तो आप नॉर्मल रजिस्टर के पेजेस या कॉपी के पेजेस भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर कटिंग दिस वन आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस डिज़ाइनर सीजर. आप नॉर्मल सीजर से भी कट कर सकते हो, इट्स टोटली अप टू यू. I use whiteboard marker for writing on it. अगर वो आपके पास नहीं है तो आप स्केच पेन भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, but I will suggest you to buy at least one whiteboard marker for yourself. Now let's organize a holder. I have roughly divided the inner space into 4 parts using old cardboard pieces. I will fill those extra pockets with color chalks, rewritable paper notes, eraser, sharpener, a piece of sponge, stapler pins, paper pins, etc. You can use this space for adding pen, pencil, scale, markers, sketch pens, stapler, pliers, scissors, cutting blade, your paint brushes, etc. and etc. So this is how our holder looks once it is fully organized and stuffed with various materials. You can use a single rewritable paper note for several times. All you have to do is write on it, clean it up using a piece of sponge or a piece of cloth, and it is ready to be used again. So yeah guys, that's all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this simple DIY or a quick idea of organizing your stuff. If you enjoyed the video, do subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Till then, be happy, keep smiling, take care, bye bye.